Pops! That's all I can do, Hunter.
Alright, I'll have to pull up. I'll go on that side, Tanner, and unclip the thing.
Yeah, you gotta go forward and then crank it like northeast a little bit.
Is that good?
Hunter, what do you think about that one?
Yeah, just turn your wheel.
Yeah, turn it northwest. I don't think he's turning northwest.
Okay.
We got a new refrigerator.
Can you pull it from there or not?
Yeah, Hunter's got it. That's what I'm talking about.
Are you ready?
Ready, Hunter?
Down. Good. Just like that.
Okay.
So it should slide right on this lid.
Ooh.
Da, 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 da.
I don't think it's gonna fit.
Just carry it in, straight in.
Yeah, okay, Steve. Let's see you do it.
Oh no, if you leave it on its back, I think you should just walk around. Barely fit, okay? So I could watch my fingers and let it down. Right? Can you lift back there by yourself or not?
Yeah.
Wait till I get it set. Tanner, grab where you can and pull. Out of the door. And good. Once we got it moving, let's take it. Well, let's set it up. We might have to take the door off. Hey, buddy.
Hey, dude.
Oh. What? I don't. Ow! I don't know how to open it. Hey, Hunter, buddy.
Hey.
Over there. Did you get a measuring tape?
What do you want to measure? We're already this far. If it's not gonna fucking fit, we gotta knock the wall down.
Yeah. Go get the back, get the bottom corner with Hunter. Ah! Whoa! Are you sure?
Cause I just let go and
And we're gonna pause. I'm gonna try not to get my fingers caught. Okay, now Hunter, lift your head. Ah, my fingers. Okay, come again. Lift again. All right, come on back. Hold on now. I gotta get a better grip now. Hold on. Underneath my foot.
it would have slid on it if we just fucking put it
Just
on.
lift. I got it.
Why do we need a fridge down here?
Hey, Steve, this could have been easy, man.
No. This way. Stick it out. You got it? Okay. Good. All right, we're done.